How many PDFs do you have lying around, collecting dust and being completely ignored, static and unengaging? They're just one-off files without context or a feedback loop. Relayto is the first platform that marries the simplicity of the standard document with the power of the web and AI. Simply drop your files into Relayto and our AI will take care of the rest. Transform your static files into a new web experience full of life and personality. Automatically enrich your content with smart navigation, video, CTAs, and much more, saving hours of work and boosting engagement up to 7x compared to PDFs. Then, Relayto builds personalized content hubs tailored to each of your audiences. Sales pitches and proposals, account-based marketing campaigns, or employee resources. Relayto hubs have an app for that, with more than 100 UI and AI configurations to choose from. And the best part? We don't guess what works. We know. By tracking engagement in real time, we allow you to regenerate and refine your content so that it gets better every single time someone interacts with it.